A class of 10 students, probability of exactly I student passing an examination is directly proportional to I square is given. Probability of exactly I student passing an examination is directly proportional to I square. If a student is selected at random, probability that he passed an examination. Probability that he passed an examination. So now what would means let AI be an event that exactly I students passing an examination. So given that P of AI is directly proportional to I square. So this implies P of AI equal to lambda I square. So here lambda not equal to 0 and positive, non-zero positive. Okay. So some constant and greater than 0. A lambda greater than 0, any real number. Or you can simply write lambda greater than 0. Okay. So now that's the logic here. Next, so lambda is any constant. Now we have to find lambda value. So we know that sigma p of ei equal to 1. That is sum of the probabilities equal to what? 1. Because here what I takes from 1 to 10 students. I equal 1 to 10 students. So here 1 less than or equal to I less than or equal to 10. So that means sigma I equal to 1 to 10 lambda I square equal to 1. So lambda into sigma I equal to 1 to 10 I square equal to 1. Lambda into 1 square plus 2 square and so on 10 square equal to 1. So we have follow for sum of squares of natural numbers n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. But n equal to 10 here. So 10 into 11 into 21 by 6 equal to 1. Lambda equal to 6 by 10 into 11 into 21. So you can cancel 2, 3 twos, 3 sevens, 2 ones, 2 fives. So that we got 1 by 385. Therefore, probability of EI equal to lambda I square. Probability of EI equal to I square by 385. So this is probability for exactly I student pass the examination. So they're asking probability that select a student who passed the examination. So let E by event that selected student who passed the examination. Who passed the examination. Who passed the examination. That means probability of A given A. Select a student who passed the examination. That equal to what? I by 10. Because there are 10 students are there. Probability of a selected student pass the examination is I by 10. So now, who is that person? We don't know. I equal to 1 to 10. So next, therefore probability of A equal to P of E1, P of A by E1 plus P of E2, P of A by E2. That is our P of En, P of A by En. So that means sigma I equal to 1 to 10 P of AI, P of A by EI. That means sigma I equal to 1 P of EI. So P of EI is means I square by 385. A by is I by 10. So that this will give as 1 by 3850 into sigma I equal to 1 to 10 I cube. So I cube means some of the cubes of natural numbers. That means 1 cube, 2 cube, and so on, n cube. We have formula for sigma n cube is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is 3850 into, or the formula, so this is up to 10 cube, sorry, 10 cube, that is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is equal to 1 by 3850 into n square. N square means 10, 100 into 121 by 4. So you can cancel out here, 1 0 cancel, 11 table, 11 11s, 11 35s, next 2 2s, 2 5s, 5 1s, 5 7s. Therefore, probability of A, finally we got 11 by 14 is the answer here. So 7 into 4, 12, 7 into 2, 14. That is 11 by what? 14 is the answer here. So I hope understand. Check the answer what they given. 11 by 14 is the right answer.